Trust is the rarest currency in human relationships. People can spot a fake smile or a forced compliment from a mile away. If you want people to open up, lower their guard, and trust you completely within minutes, you don't need tricks, you need science. Welcome back to the Silent Psyche. In our recent short videos, we broke down how to create value using the FOMO trigger and how to get favors effortlessly through the reciprocity hack. If you haven't watched those yet, check them out on the channel. But today, we are going deeper. Today, you are going to learn 3 powerful psychological triggers that make people trust you instantly, even if you just met them. Trigger number 1, strategic vulnerability. Most people think that to look trustworthy, you need to appear perfect, confident, and bulletproof. Psychology proves the exact opposite. It is called the Pratfall effect. When a competent person makes a minor, harmless admission of vulnerability, like laughing at their own small mistake or admitting they were nervous about something, their likability skyrockets. Why? Because perfection creates distance and suspicion. Vulnerability signals safety. When you show a tiny chink in your armor, the human brain instantly thinks, "This person is real. I don't need to defend myself around them." Trigger number 2, the consistency anchor. Human beings have an overwhelming psychological need to remain consistent with their past words and actions. It's a core survival mechanism of the ego. If you want someone to trust you, get them to make a small public commitment or agree with a minor positive statement early in the conversation. For example, you seem like someone who values honesty over polite lies, right? Once they nod and say yes, their brain locks that identity in place. To stay consistent with their own words, they will automatically start trusting you and aligning their behavior with you for the rest of the interaction. Trigger number 3, the shared identity bias. Deep down, the human brain is still wired for tribal survival. We instinctively trust people who remind us of ourselves, and we distrust outsiders. You don't need to fake interest to use this. Look for micro parallels, a shared value, a mutual struggle, a similar perspective on life, or even a subtle linguistic habit. When you gently highlight a common ground early on, their subconscious mind shifts you from the threat category straight into the family category. Trust becomes automatic. Mastering these triggers doesn't mean manipulating people. It means removing the natural friction of human connection. If you are learning something valuable today, hit that subscribe button right now. Join our community of deep thinkers and drop a comment below. Which of these 3 triggers do you find hardest to use? Remember, trust isn't built by talking loud or trying to impress. It is built by making the other person feel safe, understood, and aligned. Use these tools quietly, observe how people lean in, and watch how your social dynamics transform. Until next time, stay alert.